Okay, here we go. So we are going to keep it on the raised bed on the concrete. And so the solution that I came up with is just to take some gardening fabric and then just attach it to the bottom of the outside bottom of the raised bed, and on the other side I just attached it to the outside, the inside. And so this is what it looked like before I put the fabric in. And so after I put the fabric, I'll put layers of cardboard for some organic matter, and then I'm going to use that bin over there that has a lot of waste material, we could say compost material, and I'm going to put that in there. And then we will put down the mix of dirt and manure and vermiculite. And before I put the plants in, I'm going to have to come up with a solution for the cats. See the cats over there? They like to get inside of my plant boxes. So we have to come up with a solution to keep them out because they are busy, including the mama cat. So this is where we are right now. We'll keep you informed of where we are. Peace and blessings.